Hello, welcome to Career Strategists. We are discussing question paper of Civil Services Examination which is held today, and let us discuss some questions which is asked today. This is a part 5, so I hope you have already watched part 1 to part 4 before watching this part 5. Here it is given that P and Q together purchase. In this question, see, it is given that 5 friends P, Q, X, Y, Z purchased some notebooks and the relevant information given here. So Z purchased 8 notebook more than X did. P and Q purchased together 21 book. Q purchased 5 notebook less than P. So of course P purchased 5 more notebook than Q. So if Q is say X, then P must be X plus 5. P is X plus 5. And you sum up these two, total will be 2X plus 5 is equal to 21, and therefore P plus Q together purchase how many books? P plus Q is equal to 21. So 2X, total sum is 2X plus 5 is 21, and therefore X is equal to 21 minus 5 is 16, and 16, 2X is equal to 16, so X is equal to 8. It means the P purchased 13 notebook and Q purchased 8 notebook, right? I hope you got it. Okay. Now there is another equations which can be made. Here P purchased 5 notebook more than X. So P purchased 13. So X must purchase 13 minus 5, that is 8. If X did 8 purchase 8 notebook, then P must be 5 more, that is 13. So X purchased 8 notebook, and X and Y together purchased 28. Out of 28 notebook, 8 are notebook of X, so Y must have 20 notebook. Y must have 20 notebook. And Z purchased 8 notebook more than X. Since X purchased 8 notebooks, so Z purchased 8 plus 8, that is 16 notebook. Total notebooks are 16. You can use this. Total notebook are 16 plus 13. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 13 is 24 plus 13 is 37. 37 plus 20 is 57, and 57 plus 8 is 57 plus 8 is 65, right now. So 65 notebooks, and cost of one notebook is 40 rupees. So total cost of 65 notebook is 65 into 40. 5 4s are 20, carry 2, and 6 4s are 24, and 2 26. So total sum of rupees is 2600 is the bill of this question. So I hope you got it right now. So one correlated with other, and you can deal with it easily right now. So we can deal with these questions. Now the next question is, a man started from home 12 to 14:30, that is our drive to village, arriving there when the village clock was indicated 15 hours. After staying 25 minutes, he drove back to the different routes of length 1.5 times the first route, and rate is twice as fast as, reaching home at 16 hours. So he left 2 hours and 30 minutes, that is 14:30, and reached there at 4 o'clock in evening, that is 16 hours. It means 2 hours, 1.5 hours, 90 minutes he has taken in to and fro. In those 90 minutes, 25 minutes he has rested. So 65 minutes in traveling. Total time he used is 65 minutes in traveling, right now. It means let the distance was x and velocity was v. So time is distance upon velocity. Next time the distance is 1.5 times 1.25x, and velocity is twice v, and the total time is 65 minutes. So we can conclude it that x by v, if I would take common, then in that case it will be 1 plus 1.5 times divided by, that is 5 by 8. 5 by 8, because 1.25 is 125 by 100, that is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 into 2, 5 by 8 is equal to 65. It means x by v is equal to, this will be 8 plus 5, 13 by 8. So 65 into 8 by 13, 13 5 ja this, that is 40 minutes. So time taken in forward journey was 40 minutes only, and because he started his journey at 14:30, after 40 minutes he must reach there according to his own time, but the clock was shows 15:15, it means clock was 5 minutes late, isn't it? 40 minutes time he has taken in forward journey. I hope you got it. 40 minutes time he has taken in forward journey, and he started his journey at he started his journey at 14:30, and after 40 minutes time he must be there at 3:10. 40 minutes he must be there at 15:10, you know, but the clock shows 15:15, it means clock was 5 minutes faster. So clock of the village is 5 minutes fast. This is what the question, answer of this question. I hope you got it. Okay. Next question. A person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children, A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B, and B thrice of the number received by C, and 4 times of the number received by D, 5 times of the number received by E, and 6 times of the number received by F. It means if A must be getting the number of LCM of this, so that B and C will be every integral value, right now. So 2 pens, 3 pens, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. The numbers are like 2 twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. LCM of all those is 60, right now. So A must be have a 60 pens, so that B will be twice of B, that B will be half of that, right now. So 60 if is there, and if suppose A is 60 pens, right now, then B must be 30, and C must be 3 times of C. 3 times of C, so C must be 20, and 4 times of D, so D must be 15 in that case, and 15 is an, it is given that each pens get the even number each one, so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number, but D got 15 pen, which is an odd number. So clearly this is the indication that A will have 120 pen, that is double of 15, so that double of 15 will be 30. Now A will be 120 pen, in that case B will be 60 and C will be 40, you know, and D is 3 times, 4 times of this, 4 times of this is what? 30, and E is 5 times of that, that is 24, that is also even, and F is 6 times of this, that is 20. 6 times of F is A has got. So all of them are even number. It means 120 will be the pen. Now A will get, and what is the minimum number of pen X would buy, so that number of pens of each one can be given. Adding all these, what will happen? The unit place digit will be 4, and unit place digit is 4 in the very C option, so answer will be C. No need to add it right now. Just the approach you can deal with this question. Now, the next question is, 6 persons A, B, C, D, F, E and F are sitting at equidistance from each around a circular table. Consider the question given below the two statements. Who is sitting on the immediate left of A? B is opposite to D. See, 6 persons are there and B is opposite to D, right? And B is sitting opposite to C. B is sitting opposite to C and D is sitting opposite to E. D and E can be there, right now. Now F is sitting on the immediate left of B. Immediate left. Left means anti-clockwise. So here must be F. F is in circle clockwise. F is sitting on the immediate left of B. So B must be here and F must be there. Right now, left of B. Now one person left because they are opposite. So one person must be here opposite, and that will be what? Because there are A. A must be here. Now who is adjacent of A? See, the position of D and E are not exactly defined. Right now, who is sitting immediate left of A? Left of A is this position. Left of A is this position. This is the position of left. And D and E can interchange their position. Because it is not fixed. They are just opposite. So either D can be there or E can be there here. D or E can be anyone. Here D and E can be there. So left of A, who is sitting on the immediate left of A is this position, and this position either D can be or E can be. So even both of them are not sufficient to answer this question, and therefore answer of the question is D. Now consider Manisha. Manisha is 24 years younger than her mother. Say mother age is X, then Manisha age is X. Then mother age must be what? X plus 24. Right now, mother is 24 years older, Manisha is 24 years younger. So mother is 24. 5 years later, Manisha will be X plus 5 and mother will be X plus 29. And their ratio is 3:5. So that will be 5x plus 25 is equal to 3x plus 87. Right now, in that case 2x is equal to, this will be 2, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 8 minus 2 is 62. So x is equal to 31. It means percentage of Manisha is 31 and her mother must be 31 plus 24 is what? 55. 31 plus 24 is 55. 31 percentage of Manisha is here 31 and mother age is 31 plus 24 is 55. So what is the age of Manisha? That is 31. By help of these two we can conclude the answers. So both of them are required to answer this question, are sufficient to answer the question. So answer of this question will be both statement 1 and statement 2 are required, sufficient to answer this question. Both of them are required and answer can be obtained by using these two facts. Okay. So I hope you got it. Now there is another question. 6 lectures A, B, C, D, E, F, each of 1 hour duration are scheduled between 8 to 2 p.m. Consider the questions between the two statements given. 8 and 2. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. is 6 hours duration and 6 lectures are there. So each lectures for 1 hour. Which lecture will be the third period? F is preceded by A. F is preceded by A and followed by C. This is the 3 consecutive lectures. And now there is no lecture after B and B will be 6th. So that will be 6th lecture. It may be that this is the first 3 and there are 4th one is this and there are 2 gaps here. It may be possible that 2 gaps here, A, F and C and B is the last. It is also possible. There are various possibilities because one lecture is in the beginning, F and C is there and there is one B. So in the different situations, the third lecture will be different. So we are not able to exactly find out which one will be the third lecture, third period, and therefore first and second is not sufficient to answer the question. So answer of this question is D. First, both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. So I hope you got it, the solutions of this, and after short while we will discuss the remaining question. In this video, this is only this portion of the paper has been discussed. After short while we will have another part of this video. So thank you very much. Keep watching and do subscribe this channel, Career Strategies. Press the bell icon as well. You will get the answers of many questions, tricks and techniques. Visit it and also visit www.arbindsingh.com. Thank you very much.